The job our group will be discussing is preschool head teacher. The head teacher is responsible to create and carry out a daily curriculum, ages 2 to 5 only, tailored to the month's theme. The teacher is to make sure to include math, reading, writing, motor skills, social skills, and basic life skills within the weekly plans. Teachers must have patience for children and be flexible to work with individual students' needs. The teacher will have to report back to either parents and/or guardians about their children and, when necessary or asked for, to the director. The teacher will also be responsible for having children learn and follow rules of the classroom. They will be working with either infants to 2-year-olds, 3 and 4-year-olds, or 4 and 5-year-olds, based on experience, preference, and need. Also, head teachers are expected to dress professionally, but they can dress casually as well. The following pie chart breaks down each job task and its importance. Some of the job tasks include teaching children to explore different aspects of the world, interest in people, create and follow a daily curriculum the day before, keep records of students' progress, report back to parent, guardian, and/or director on child's daily progress and activity, and teach basic life skills, behavior, social hygiene, self-care, etc. For job task relative time spent, it's 20% teaching children to explore different aspects of the world, interest in people, 10% keeping records of students' progress, 10% reporting back to parent, guardian, and or director on child's daily progress and activity, 15% teaching basic life skills such as behavior, social, hygiene, self-care, etc., and 45% creating and following a daily curriculum the day before. The following video will be an example of a bad interview.
Hi. Hey, what's up? Okay, have a seat. Okay. Hi, I'm the director here at Elements of Learning. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Ask you a few questions. How are you today?
I'm alright.
Okay, so what actually is the reason that you want to apply for this job? What interests you?
I mean, I kind of just need money for this stuff right now.
Okay, do you understand the requirements of this job too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yes. Okay. Besides just the money, is there anything else that wanted you to
Not
work with
really,
children?
no.
Okay. Do you have any experience actually working with children?
I mean, I have a little sister, so that's good enough.
Okay. Do you? Oh, okay. That's it.
Yep.
So Okay, so Krupa, I'm actually just gonna ask you a scenario question as far as different things or challenges you may come across working here.
Okay.
So tell me about a time when you had a concern, or if you did have a concern about a child, maybe even your sister, having a social or emotional delay. How would you handle that?
I would probably just tell her parent that their kid is kind of slow, you know? It tree throats sometimes.
Okay. How do you think this is gonna go across to the parent?
I mean, at least they'll find out that they need to help their kid somehow. Because
Okay.
it's not working here.
Okay. Do you actually have any questions for me, Krupa?
No, I'm good.
No? Okay, well, that's actually going to be it for today, okay?
Cool.
Ms. Mace, thank you for coming in.
Yep.
The following video will show a good interview.
Hi, Elizabeth.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Okay.
You can have a seat right here. So, I'm Camille. I'm the director here at Elements of Learning. Great to meet you.
You too. Here's a copy of my resume.
Oh, thanks so much. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so let's get started here. So I'm just going to ask you a few questions as far as like what actually interested you in this job.
I love working with children. I'm majoring in sociology, which is I think a great major for education.
Yeah.
I also have younger siblings that I care for, so I know the basics of taking care of children. I love seeing children grow emotionally and develop. So yeah, and I'm also CPR certified and first aid certified as well.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing, Elizabeth. Okay, so I'm just gonna you told me a little bit about yourself. I'm just gonna actually ask you a question. So suppose here that we had a child that may be a little bit socially or emotionally delayed. How would you handle that?
First, I would address it with you, the director, and then I would ask you if it was okay for maybe the both of us to let the parents know what's going on, and then we can work out a plan to help the child grow emotionally or develop emotionally so they can improve.
Okay. Is there any other things that you may want to ask me?
No, I think that's it.
Oh, well, thank you so much, Elizabeth. You actually are amazing.
Thank
Something
you.
I'm looking for.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
The following is a scoring key on how the two candidates would be graded. In the first video, the candidate would obviously get a grading of 1 or poor, and in the second video, the candidate would get a 5 because they addressed the question and the issue properly and did everything what is expected to do of a head teacher.